This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up your saves and mods so you can revert if needed. Next, get a high-resolution CAS background. 2048 x 2048 works well. It prevents blur. Install Sims 4 Studio or S4PE now so you can open package files. Once done, locate the CAS background package in the game files or extract the default via the editor. This gives you a template. Make sure you keep file names clear so you don't overwrite originals accidentally. You open the package and export the DDS texture to edit it. This is where the visual change happens. In Photoshop or GIMP, preserve the alpha channel and work in RGBA, then save as DXD5 to keep transparency and quality. Once edited, re-import the DDS into the package editor and overwrite the original resource. Then save the package and increment the name or version to avoid conflict. This ensures the game loads your custom file over any defaults. You install the custom package into mods, then enable custom content and script mods in game settings so the file is recognized. Clear the local thumb cache. Package and other caches to force reload, and test in a new save to avoid save-specific glitches. If the background is missing or broken, revert to your backup. Then check the DDS format and alpha channel, confirm DXD5, and ensure resource ID weren't changed. These checks fix most problems and get your CAS background working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.